Namaskar. As part of our continuing learning series, proud to present the Ashtanayikas. Ashtanayika is a collective term used to describe the 8 types of Nayikas or heroines as classified by Bharata Muni in his Sanskrit treatise for performing artists, the Natya Shastra. These 8 Nayikas have been classified on the basis of their emotional states or their avasthas with relation to their Nayaka, the hero. These 8 Nayikas are further classified on the basis of love in separation, which is Vipralambha, and love in meeting, Sambhoga. For the past 2 months, my senior disciples have been delving into the nuances of Nayika Bhava, and we decided to put up this series purely for academic pursuits. We hope that you take the rasa of these items. Extremely delighted to present the Nayika series.
Proshita means living away from home and Bhartru means Nayaka or husband. Proshita Bhartruka is the Nayika whose Nayaka has gone away on a long journey and this separation is unbearable for her. The separation is due to a justified circumstance like a mission or the livelihood or education of the Nayaka. The Proshita Bhartruka Nayika has been depicted by Prajakta Borse Bharate through the Kshetraya Padam Ninnu Juda. In the Padam, the Nayaka has gone away on a long journey and the Nayika spends all her time worrying about his well-being. One day, while going about her daily chores, she sees him arrive. Her happiness knows no bounds and tears start flowing from her eyes. She welcomes him with an aarti and offers him cool water. She then points to their son who has grown up to become a little boy and she tells him how similar and equally handsome they look. But her joy is short-lived as she hears the fateful news. He is required to leave for work the very next day. Crestfallen, she requests him to stay for at least a few more days before they are separated for long. The Nayika in this portrayal is a Swakiya Nayika, the one who is absolutely faithful to her Nayaka. She is a Madhya Nayika, that is, she is partly experienced in love. She is shy but craves for the union together. Presenting Ninnu Juda in Ragam Punna Gavarali and Talam Triputa. The vocal rendition is by Padma Shri Aruna Sairam.
Ninnu Juda ನಿನ್ನು ನಿನ್ನು ಜೂಡ ಗಲಿಗೆ ಆಲಗೂ ನಿನ್ನರೆ ನಾಗಲೋ ನಿನ್ನರೆ ನಾಗಲೋ ನಿನ್ನರೆ ನಾಗಲೋ ನಿನ್ನರೆ ನಾಗಲೋ ಕನ್ನುಲ ಗಪ್ಮೀನ ಲುಣ್ ಕನ್ನುಲ ಗಪ್ಮೀನ ಲುಣ್ வெண்ணுட ದಿಕ್ಕು ಲಾಲೇಚಿ வெண்ணுட ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕರಗಿ ಚಿಂತ ನೊಂದಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ले नो ನಿನ್ನು ಜೂಡ ಗಲಿ